Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are doing yoga for grief, and we're doing it all this month. Now, before we get started, I had somebody very close to me die a year ago to cancer, and it was hard. And one of the things that really helped me heal is yoga, the power of yoga. You can feel one way to start, and then the end, you can feel totally different. And it has great feeling. It's a great feeling to have. All right, let's grab our yoga mat, and if you want, grab your pillow, and let's get started. All right, we are going to start in child's pose. So you can have your pillow like this if you like. And we're just gonna lay over the pillow in child's pose. And child's pose is the pose of the month. And you can check out that video right there. All right, so we are going to get down on your knees. And hold the pillow if you like. And rest your head right on it. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, on your next inhale, I want you to take the biggest breath you have taken all day. Okay, so breathe in. And then let it out. And just really get into this pose and relax. This pose is good for the mind. It calms it down. And just allow yourself to feel anything. Whatever it is that you're feeling, just let it out. Now you're going to slowly come up. All right, next pose is we're going to get into, it's sort of like fish pose. What we're gonna do is lay on top of the pillow. And it's a good opening up your heart type of pose. Okay, you're gonna put your feet together and just breathe and have your hands out. Now, if you want to have your fingers touching, you can have your middle finger touch your thumbs and just hold. Breathe. And by doing that with your fingers, it helps with healing internally of whatever is you're emotionally in pain. So breathe in. Out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. We should take the biggest breath you've taken all day. Breathe in and let something out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. All right, now you can slowly open up your eyes. Lift up your head. Close your legs. All right. Next, we are going into downward facing dog. So you're going to start out in tabletop, and then you're going to hoist up your feet, curl up your toes and hoist them up. And you're going to hold, stay like this and hold. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now if you want to, you can paddle it out. And that is okay. If you want to get into three-legged dog, that's cool too. And then put it back and do the same thing to the other side. And then get back into tabletop. And that would be it. All right, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for next week when we continue our series, Yoga for Grief. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.